Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I am going to discuss a very important point with you. Most of you are not able to communicate in English fluently. Have you ever thought what is the reason behind that? The major reason behind that is you don't have enough practice. For learning any language, be it Marathi, be it Hindi, be it English or any other language, you need enough practice for that. I'll give you one example. Suppose if a child is born in a British family, you will find that within 2 to 3 years that child starts speaking in English. So does that mean that his parents teach him grammar such as tenses, voice, direct indirect speech? Obviously that doesn't happen. His parents don't teach him any kind of English grammar. So just he listens to his parents, he listens to his relatives or those who are around him, and he starts imitating them, and in this way slowly he starts learning the language. Okay, you all know that for learning any language these four things are important: listening, speaking, reading and writing. But out of these four factors, I believe that speaking and listening, these 2 points contribute at least 90%. Okay, these 2 points really play a very important role. Most of you complain that you don't have a speaking partner with whom you can practice speaking English. So today I have brought a very nice solution for you. If around you there is no one with whom you can practice speaking English, so today I am going to tell you about a very important website. The name of that website is Free for Talk. Once again I'll repeat that the website is called as Free for Talk. Okay, it is not available in the form of the application. You will not find that application on the Play Store. Just you have to go on Google Chrome or any other browser and type there Free for Talk. Okay, so once the opening page opens, there it will request you to sign up. You can sign up by using your Facebook or Google account, and then once you sign up, then you will find that different groups are there. Okay, so either you can join any group, or if you don't want to join any group, you can make your own group also. If you make your own group, you will have to wait for some time. Other members, they will come to know about your group and they will join you, and then you can practice with them. Otherwise, if you want to join the groups which are already there, group's name is also there. Okay, different groups are there, such as groups of Indian people, groups of Pakistani people, groups of Sri Lankan people. Sometimes you may find the groups of Hindi speaking, Malayalam speaking, Telugu speaking. Obviously you will not join that group because your purpose is different. You want to communicate in English, so obviously you will join the group of English speaking persons only, and that website will be available for you 24 hours. Okay, whenever you want to practice, you can practice there. So once again I'll repeat the name of that website. The name of the website is Free for Talk. So go through that website and start practicing.